Hello students, hope you all are good and doing well. So today we are going to discuss about term 2 physics syllabus. Okay, so this time we have subjective type paper of 35 marks which you have to complete in 2 hours. We have a sample paper from CBSE in which there are 3 sections. In section A, we have 3 questions carrying 2 marks each and there is 1 internal choice. In section B, there are 8 questions carrying 3 marks each and we have 2 internal choices. So these 2 sections, section A and section B, are subjective type. The last one, section C, carries MCQ type question, which is basically case based question, and in that you have 1 marks for each question, that is, it's a 5 marks question. So this is your paper pattern for this term. Okay, for your marks distribution topic wise, your first 2 units, that is electromagnetic wave and optics, they are carrying 17 marks. In this particular unit optics, there are 2 chapters, ray optics and wave optics. They are very important for these terms. Second, your dual nature, atoms and nuclei carry 11 marks, and the last semiconductor is carrying 7 marks. So in this term, your optics is the most important and it carries maximum weightage of marks. So for your first chapter, electromagnetic wave, the deleted part is basic concept of displacement current, rest are all are coming, and in this particular topic your spectrum of electromagnetic spectrum is most important. You need to learn about the frequencies, wavelengths and the uses of each and every wave. In your second unit, that is optics, you have 2 chapters, ray optics and wave optics. Since both the chapters are very important, particularly wave people find it more difficult, but again it is important. In ray optics, the reflection part, spherical mirrors, resolving power of astronomical and microscopic power has been deleted, rest everything is coming. In this chapter you have descriptive type, subjective type, long answers like lens maker formula, prism and your microscope and telescope instruments, they are the important one. Numericals are important from this chapter, as well as derivations and theory type. Okay, so this chapter is very important for your exam. The next one is wave optics, again important one, and people particularly find this topic hard, but all you need to focus is on interference and diffractions. The derivations are important. The polarization parts, plane polarization light has been deleted, so all you need to focus is on interference and diffraction one. The next is dual nature of matter and radiation. Again, this is a very easy topic. It is mostly theory based, graph analysis and some basic numericals. So this is one scoring chapter. One experiment, Davison-Germer experiment, has been deleted, rest everything is coming, and you all know about the dual nature of matter, so this comes. Your next unit is atoms and nuclei. Again, this is a very interesting topic and you can easily handle this because you learn about atoms from a very long time, and in this particular there are 2 chapters, one is atoms, other is nuclei. So in atoms you have more theories, basic numericals, and there is no deletion in this particular topic. Next one is nuclei. In this chapter all the part which is hard has been deleted, so you guys are lucky. You only have to focus on certain things like composition of nuclei, that's it, and the radioactivity, its mean life, half-life, binding energy, everything has been deleted. And trust me, again this chapter is scoring 1. You can score well in these 3 chapters, dual, atoms and nuclei. Okay, the last unit is your semiconductor. People often again find it difficult, but many things has been deleted like Zener diodes and logic gates, all have been deleted. All you need to focus on energy bands and basic properties of semiconductor, how semiconductor form, like this. So if you studied well, again it's a scoring chapter, okay, mostly theoretical one. So these are the syllabus, this is the chapters you have to learn in your term 2. It's more theoretical based, it's more modern physics. Numericals are easy, so you can score well. Fine. And one more thing, one more tip, this time you have subjective and descriptive type questions, so make sure how to write them very well. One tip, always write your answers in such a way that your examiner is learning from your answer. Okay, so write it very well, that from the starting and the beginning, when the examiner read, he understood completely. So all the best for your theory part. Okay, for your practical exams, which carry 15 marks and you have to complete it in 1.5 hours. So first you have to learn 4 experiments and 3 activities, and you have to complete it in your records, which carries 5 marks. Okay, and for your exam you have to perform 2 experiments, each carry 4 marks. In total 8 marks for your experiment. So this is for your practical exam. So I hope you understood what you need to do for your theory and practical exam, particularly for physics, and I hope this helps you to make a better strategy for your term 2 exams.